Hello, welcome back to IT Landy. A high-level sessions around containers. Previously, we covered the, container, and we covered, few config around it. We said like basic container Docker container using, Docker with PowerShell. And today we will cover, other dependency like licensing. For example, Windows Server 2016, or it could be 2019. What do I need or what do I have, and what license is available for us, and either data center or standard, and if you need a Hyper-V or if you want the Windows one. So you can see there the OSE, Windows Server Container, Data Center Unlimited, similar to everything you got. But look at the cost, $6,100, or you can have like two licenses for the standard, depending on your deployment and the size of the deployment. And you get for $800, you get the two options, and you have the, again, this is just like a public information. I'm not sure what license agreement you have with Microsoft, the size, and the discount. Yeah, this is just public information. Patching and update to the container. How we can patch update? You can pull update based on the image. You can build the container using Docker file. So what does that mean? Docker file, this is where I specify all the information I need to build my image. And for example, I've got here Windows Server version 10. Then I've put a new image on Docker Hub to update it to, 14393.0 to 1. Yeah, like let's call it minor update. Docker file will basically tell me where to get it from. And then from Windows servers, you can run a PowerShell command to say add Windows feature IS. Then from the IS, add my files, which is initpub my site. And then if I want to patch it, download the update in the container, run the Windows update inside the container. And then when the container is stopped, update will be applied to it. And then when you apply the update, you can do it to the same image. And then the image get deployed. And then you can see different containers or different, let's call features targeting different, uh, let's say version or update. So in a nutshell, this is really crucial when it comes to design a container, like to make sure, I mean, typically in production environment, what you do, you update the image, you push the image into like your, let's call it Docker Hub. I'm just going to describe it in more details. So I built my Docker image, yeah, and I deployed it into the, let's call production, yeah. So Docker image, let's call it version 1, and I deployed it. Now I have version 2, which means I need to patch it either minor or major. So what I do, I go and build another image offline without me touching the existing one, yeah? So I build a new image and I push it into the Docker Hub, yeah? Like for example, image version 2. Then I come to my containers and I put one of the containers in the maintenance window and then do the update basically, either through PowerShell or AZ or whatever command there, or it could be if you Docker command, yeah? And then after you update it, you introduce it into the system again from the maintenance here. This is in high level. We can cover this in more details in the next session. That's all what I have for you for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.